In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file to Trello. We'll walk through each step thoroughly, making sure you're comfortable with the process by the end. So, let's dive right in. First things first, navigate your way to the top right corner of your Trello homepage. Here, you'll see an icon that looks like a rocket ship. Clicking on this will take you to the Trello Power-Ups Marketplace. This marketplace is a treasure trove of third-party apps designed to enhance and expand Trello's existing functionalities. These additional tools can be a game changer depending on your workflow needs, especially when you want to integrate Trello more deeply with other apps or import large sets of data, like we'll be doing today. Once you're in the Power-Ups Marketplace, you need to find a specific tool that will make this process seamless. In the search bar, type Import to Trello by Blue Dasher. It's crucial to use this name as it ensures we get the right power-up specifically designed for importing CSV files. After locating it, go ahead and click Add. This action will integrate the power-up with your Trello board. When the power-up has been successfully added, its icon will also appear on the top toolbar of your Trello interface. This gives you easy access whenever you need to import data in the future, ensuring this process is just a few clicks away. Now, click on this newly added icon to initiate the CSV import process. The way this power-up works is elegantly simple, which is one of the things users love about it. You'll see fields provided for pasting your data. All you need to do is copy your CSV file data and paste it directly into these fields. It's a straightforward approach that minimizes the technical hurdles often encountered with data imports. Once you've pasted your data, there's just one more step. Click on Import. And just like that, your data seamlessly folds into your Trello board, creating cards and tasks according to the structure of the CSV file you provided. This integration will significantly boost your efficiency, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, managing and executing your projects. So there you have it. Importing a CSV file into Trello is straightforward and user-friendly with the right power-up. It's all about taking advantage of the tools available to simplify your processes and make Trello work even harder for you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!